Today we are going to talk all about adding three numbers at once. Okay, so sometimes an addition sentence will have three add-ins because we are adding three things. Take a look at the crayons below. I see three different groups. I see a group of red crayons, I see a group of green crayons, and I see a group of blue crayons. Now, we are going to use a strategy to figure out how many crayons there are. This strategy is called look for doubles. Take a look down at the groups of crayons. Are there any groups of crayons that are the same amount? That's right. The red crayons, 3, and the blue crayons are also 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to write 3 plus 3, and then we're going to go ahead and add the final number. How many crayons are in the last group? The green group. That's right, there are 2. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 2. Now this is really simple because we already know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So all we have to do is add 2 more to 6, and that's pretty easy. So we can do 6 plus 2 equals 8. There are 8 crayons. We added using doubles to help us figure out that there were 8 crayons. Alright, now we're going to look for some more doubles. Let's read this together. Rebecca has 2 toy cars. Sarah also has 2 toy cars. Jan has 4 toy cars. How many toy cars do they have in all? Alright, there are no pictures here, but I can see that there are 2 numbers that are exactly the same. What 2 numbers are they? Alright, I see 2 toy cars, and then I also see 2 toy cars. That means we are going to add 2 plus 2. Now, we're not done writing add-ins just yet because I also see that Jan has 4 toy cars. So we have to make sure that we add those 4 toy cars. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 4. Alright, so we know that 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now, check this out. This is really cool. We have 4, and then we have another 4. So we actually have another doubles problem. So now we have 4 plus 4 equals 8. So there are 8 cars in all. Alright, so now we are going to go ahead and try another strategy. Take a look down here at the fruits. I see 3 different groups of fruits. The first group is apples. How many apples are there? I see 6 apples. Okay. The next group is pears. I only see 1 pear. And then finally, I see oranges. I see 4 oranges. Now, this strategy says make a 10. So, what I want to do is I want to look at all 3 of these groups and figure out which 2 groups I can put together to make 10. Can you tell me what 2 groups go together to make 10? That's right, 6 and 4 make 10. So we're going to do 6 plus 4. But we're not done writing our add-ins just yet because we still have this 1. So we're going to make sure we add that 1 in here. Alright, so we already know that 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then we only have 1 number left. We have 1. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. There are 11 pieces of fruit on this page. We made it 10 because it makes adding in our heads much faster and much easier. Alright, let's go ahead and try another one. Before we do that, remember, we can rearrange the addends in any order that we want to and the sum stays the same. So it didn't matter if I wrote the 6 first, or if I wrote the 1 first, or if I wrote the 4 first. Because anytime we add, we still get the same sum no matter what order we added. All right, let's go ahead and try out some word problems. Okay, the first word problem says Arthur has 3 green shirts. He has 2 blue shirts and 7 yellow shirts. How many shirts does he have in all? Now, first of all, I see the words in all. Remember that anytime we see the words in all, that means to add. All right, I underlined 3 addends, so I'm going to add them together. I'm going to do 2 things. First, I'm going to look to see if I have any doubles. I have 3, 2, and 7. Do I have any doubles? No, no doubles here. All right, the next thing I'll do is try to make it 10. If I put 2 of these addends together, will I make 10? Yeah, that's right. If I put 3 and 7 together, I'll make 10. So we'll do 3 plus 7, and then we need to add 2 more. All right, so we know that 3 plus 7 equals 10, and then 10 plus 2 equals 12. So there are 12 shirts in all. Okay, very good. Next up, it says Sam has 2 goldfish. Bill has 4 dogs and 4 cats. Oh, that's a full house. How many pets do they have in all? There's that in all again, so I know we're going to add. All right, just like before, let's apply those strategies. So first, do I have any doubles? Yes, I do. I do have a double. I have 4, and I have another 4. And then I also have 2. All right, what is 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then 8 plus 2 equals 10. So in all, they have 10 pets. Okay. Got 2 more, I think, here. On Monday, I read for 5 minutes. On Tuesday, I read for 5 minutes. On Wednesday, I read for 3 minutes. What is the total number of minutes I read this week? All right, when I see the word total, that means I'm going to add. All right, what strategy will I use? Will I use make it 10? Or will I use doubles? This is a tricky one. All right, I'll kind of use both of these strategies because my double is 5, and we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we have 5 plus 5, and then don't forget that 3. So we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 10 plus 3 equals 13. So I read for 13 minutes this week. All right, last one. I have 3 blue marbles, 3 green marbles, and 7 pink marbles. What is the total number of marbles I have? All right, what strategy will I use? Make it 10 or a double? That's right. Once again, you could pick because we have both a double, 3 plus 3, and a 10, 7 plus 3. I think I'm going to make it 10. Why not? So I'll do 7 plus 3, and then there's another 3. So we know that 7 plus 3 equals 10, and then 10 plus 3 equals 13. So I have 13 marbles in all. All right, remember, sometimes an addition sentence will have 3 addends because we are adding 3 things. If we looked for doubles or try to make it 10, it can help us add. All right, goodbye.